In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use chart view and widgets in monday.com. We'll start from your monday.com home. This is the hub where you can jump into all your work. From here, open workspaces. A workspace is simply a container that holds boards and dashboards for a team or project. So choose the workspace that includes the boards you want to visualize. Inside the workspace, look for the plus sign to add something new and select Dashboard. Dashboards let you bring information together from one or many boards and display it as widgets so you can monitor progress without opening each board. Give your dashboard a clear name that reflects its purpose, like marketing KPIs or quarterly projects. Next, choose the privacy level that fits your needs. You can keep it visible to everyone in the account, limit it to specific people, or make it private for a small group. When you're ready, click Create Dashboard and you'll land on a blank canvas. Click Add Widget to start building. Choose Chart. The chart widget summarizes your board data as bars, donuts, or lines so you can spot trends at a glance. After it appears, you'll be able to define which columns to count or sum and how to group the data, perfect for things like items per status, workload by owner, or budget by category. Now add a second visualization. Click Add Widget again, and this time pick Gantt. The Gantt widget turns your tasks into a timeline, showing start and end dates, duration, and how work overlaps. It's great for planning sprints, launches, or any multi-step project. To power these widgets, click Connect Boards to get started. This is where you select the board or boards that hold the items you want to analyze. A quick tip: choose boards that already have the columns your widgets need, such as status, people, numbers, or timeline date columns. If you have a lot of boards, use the search bar to find the right ones quickly. When you see the board you want, select it, then click Done. Your dashboard will now populate with live data. You can drag widgets to rearrange them and resize to emphasize what matters most. If a chart doesn't look right, check that the connected board has the right columns filled in and adjust the widget settings to group or measure the data you care about. With these steps, you've created a dashboard, added a chart and a Gantt widget, and connected your boards, giving you a clear, real-time view of your work.